Jim, well, Daily Bird has brought it to you.
On the TV, a tablet, on my laptop, or on my phone.
Who wants to spend hundreds of dollars on a trainer?
You can have Daily Burn for an entire year for less than one session with a trainer.
Sign up and start transforming your body. It's free to try for 30 days, but this is a limited time offer. So go to dailyburn.com/Hulu right now.
Stuck inside because of this snow.
Previously on Rain, you cost me more than you could possibly imagine.
Anything you ask, you'll do and say as I command.
Axel.
Friend Francis, find out what kind of a king he is. Good time to come when you need to choose between your new friends and your family. Which would you give?
And then we asked you to offer yourself as a possible match.
Where'd you go, Axel?
What does she take this for? A couple of game pieces she can shut aside to unclutter her board.
I want a happier life with you.
I still can't bear to be touched to the sound of a man breathing near me.
I wish I knew how to help.
Just give me time.
Venus, what you doing? Axel! Oh, vicious dog. There's a whole lot of snorting going on over there. Don't bite his face, Venus. Be gentle.